tornado box. Let me on the fog. All right, it's the fog is set up. It travels to the bottle so it can make fogs. I will close it so it can make the fogs count down and look like a big and true tornado. Okay, time to turn on the fan to make tornado. I will put the fan on the hole to make it work better. It's beginning to turn into a tornado. I will drag the fan in the back to see its progress. Okay, it's kinda struggling, so I will put the fan back. Look, it's a small tornado. Going smooth and great. Okay, that's it. I will off everything now.